Hi, it's me, Crystal from Simply Tidy. Today we're going to talk about disaster preparedness. If there's a disaster in your area, you'll need to know about it, right? So how do you find out? Well, I just did a search online and I typed in my city and then I typed emergency notification, and it gave me 2 or 3 different sites that I could go to that were sponsored by the city, that I could sign up for emergency alerts in different things and also power outages and things like that. So you could do that. You also want to make sure that you keep a non-electric radio, so either a battery-powered one or a hand crank one, so that you can listen and find out what's going on, and they will also tell you the evacuation plan if the city's being evacuated, or where you can go for shelter if that's needed. It is important to know a whole bunch of different ways outside of your city so that you're not wandering around trying to figure it out. So if one way is blocked off, you'll need to know how to get out a different way. Every few months, my family and I do emergency drills of different sorts. So my kids are all very aware of what to do in the case of fire, what to do in the case of an earthquake or a tornado or a flood, and also they have been schooled in how to deal with stranger danger, as well as a few general first aid skills. In our home, we have a fire safe that protects all of our important documents, like our birth certificates, marriage licenses, adoption certificates, etc. We also will keep our life insurance information, our last will and testament, and other things like that in there. As well, we also keep all of our family home movies in there, as well as pictures that cannot be replaced. It's important to have a plan for where your family will meet if a disaster happens and you guys are all separated at the time. You should always know where your children are, so that if you need to run and get them really fast, you can do that and you will know that they're safe. You should have first aid kits in your house and in your car. There should also be a small survival kit in your car that contains a few snacks and things in case you get stranded. You should also have in your home a 72-hour kit that you can grab in a hurry and take with you in the case of an evacuation. Don't forget to pack extra supplies for your pets as well. Ready.gov has some good information about what you can do in different situations. So if you head over to their website and then go to the Be Informed section, you can look through and decide which scenarios apply to you and your area, and you can just kind of brush up on what the procedures should be to keep you and your family safe. With a little effort, you can be prepared for any disaster, and you'll be completely on top of things. If you could please like, share, and subscribe, I'd appreciate it, and I hope you have a good day.